Okay, good morning. I'd like to take you through quickly how to complete the electronic time card on the mobile app. So as you can see, I'm logged in as the demo account user called George French. And I'm going to quickly start by adding a time card. Okay. So I'm going to adjust my date because this is referring to the last date that I was logged in. So today is Tuesday, July 3rd, and I started at 6 a.m. and I went till 6 p.m. When you are setting your time, it's really key to make sure that you're touching set after you've set the time rather than close. If you select close, it will not register the time that you put in. Additionally, your position, bunching up, move that, operator, and scroll down, supervisor is myself, but really it should be Sonia Richter. She's my supervisor, so I'll select her. In this case, we have this demo set up to show barge times. So if you traveled across the lake, what time was your barge in and what time was your barge out? This is contractor specific. Next, we would select from our locations. So I'm going to pick Beavertail as our location and Project Hogsback Road. And I'm going to add time. So I'm going to select my phase of bunching, my piece of equipment. I'm going to put my time in, 10 hours, service 0.5, and then we'll say general 0.5, and that was safety tailgate meeting, or like a site meeting. Okay, and then from there, crew travel, we were in this pickup, and we had 1 hour of travel time. And I was the driver. And comment, overall, good going. So I'm going to save this. You may have noticed we made a change in here. So these plus and minuses on the right hand side actually allow you to adjust your hours by a 0.25 of an hour. We were having some issues with custom keyboards that people were downloading, and so they weren't able to put in decimals. Oh, pardon me. So for partial hours, and so we put in this hardwired plus and minus system so that wasn't an issue moving forward. Okay, so far 12 hours, and that's what we want. I can, if I do something other than another phase, I can press this blue plus button here and I can add another phase, but we don't want to in this case. Or I can add another project if I go to a new block. You can see pressing that plus sign there will create a new section to be able to select a new block, etc., etc. But again, I don't want to do that right now, so I'm going to get rid of it with that red negative sign. Okay, so next thing, is there any comment that we want to make on the day overall? Let's see. Maybe we had a equipment impairment or some sort of condition affecting production or a safety concern. I'll say safety concern. Just heads up, bear and cub hanging around block, be aware. Save, keep going, and forms. So if you have forms saved to your account, this is where you would add them. And I'm going to pick the daily risk assessment form. So crew members can yes. ETV location, on site, yes. Current maps, yes. And so you continue through this and you would answer the questions according to how they fit, and then you would save. So now we have our daily risk assessment form on the bottom, Plus we have our time entries, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to submit it. You can see here now in the list page that it turns yellow when it's pending approval. The one above there, that red one, was rejected. I'm going to go in there and just double check why it's been rejected. It's because the hours don't match up. So we said there was 11 hours. Meanwhile, they only worked for 7.5. So this can be adjusted. I think. Nope, almost there. There we go. So that should be good now. Save. And also we could submit. Okay, so there you have it. There is how to enter a new time card. Also, how to fix a rejected time card. If you have any questions, let me know. Reach out to support@timbertracks.ca. Thank you and have a great day.